Hi, I'm Sapna Aggarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interior Design Consultancy. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about 9 tips to manage your budget while building your home. I think something which would interest everybody. Building a home can be a dream come true for many, but it can also be a significant financial undertaking. One of the most important aspects of building a home is managing your budget. Without proper budget management, you can quickly find yourself overspending and struggling to finish your home. Here are some tips to help you manage your budget while building your own homes. First, you know, um, set a realistic budget. Before you start building, take time to set realistic budget. This should include all costs associated with building your home, such as construction, material, permits, and more. It's important to be realistic about what you can afford and to plan for unexpected costs. Second, prioritize your must haves. Decide what feature and finish are essential to you and focus your budget on those items. For example, if your heart desires to a very luxurious kitchen, it may be worth cutting back on other areas to make it happen. Third, be open to alternatives. Be open to alternative material or designs that can help you save while you are still getting the look you want. For example, instead of using very expensive Brazilian countertops, consider a more alternative option like granite or quartz. Fourth, shop around. Get quotes from multiple contractors and suppliers to ensure you are getting the best deal. It is also a good idea to check out different suppliers for the same material and products. This, will help you compare the prices and find the best deal. Fifth, be flexible. Be prepared to make changes to your plans if needed, to stay within your budget. This might also include downsizing the size of your home, making changes to the layout, or maybe just choosing a different material. Sixth, keep records. Keep accurate records of all expenses to stay on the top of your spending and make adjustments as necessary. This will also help you keep track of your own budget and make any unnecessarily, you can just adjust the way to stay within it. Seventh, plan for contingencies. Set aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. This will give you peace in your mind and allow you to handle any unexpected cost that may just arise during the building process. It's always a good idea to plan for the unexpected so you're not just caught off guard. Eighth, work with a professional designer. An interior designer can help you create a budget, evaluate your finances, and provide guidance on budget management also by helping you make the BOQs and getting different quotations. They can also help you identify the areas where you can save money and help making an informed decision. Ninth, manage your expectation. Building a home can be really a long and a very challenging process, and it's very important to have realistic expectations. You may have to make sacrifices, but it's important to remember that your goal to build a home is something that you can afford and you will love, and it doesn't become a pain point. Thank you, friends. See you next Wednesday. And for any kind of professional architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. Bye.